You love monsoon but hate sitting at home? Same. So me and my friends decided, why don't we just escape for a bit? We booked a staycation at Royal Resortica. And honestly, we didn't expect it to be this good. The moment we arrived, we got welcomed with refreshing drinks. Quickly, we got ready, shot some amazing content, and then surprisingly, it started raining. I mean, guys, trust me, you're gonna love the night view of this property. It is just magical. Then we changed for dinner, took too many pictures, no regret, and enjoyed our meal right by the poolside. And my patience level is zero, so we jumped in the pool, laughing, splashing around, and having the best time of our life. And somehow, no one even got sick. Ended the night all cozy in bed, watching a movie, feeling like it was a proper little getaway. Sach batao, so this place in Lucknow is giving me full-on Goa vibe, but without draining my wallet. And the best part, you can actually book the whole property for your wedding, engagements, or big family get-together. Booking this place.
Book this wedding venue in Lucknow absolutely free. Watch till the end to find out how. शादी सीजन is just around the corner. और अगर आप भी अपनी सेलिब्रेशन को एक फेरी टेल वाइब देना चाहते हैं तो there's a premium new European style boutique resort right here in Lucknow. Welcome to Royal Resortica, located on Sitapur Road. This place houses 3 beautiful halls. The spacious and glorious Crown Hall with box room for the bride, Emerald Hall, perfect for Mehendi or Tilak, and Pearl Hall for intimate gatherings and corporate events. And for those Instagrammy haldi and cocktail evenings, Royal Resortica's poolside is what you need. With a huge lawn that covers 25,000 square feet, this place can host a lavish gathering of up to 800 guests. Whether it's a family function or a staycation, Royal Resortica offers 8 spacious rooms with room service, ample light and laundry service. So for occasions that deserve luxury and versatility, choose Royal Resortica and make your celebrations unforgettable. Also, Royal Resortica is giving one lucky couple the chance to win a free wedding venue. To participate,
escape the city, enter luxury. Welcome to Royal Resortica, Lucknow's new boutique resort for dream weddings and perfect staycations. Come, let's take a quick tour. The aesthetic of the place is thoughtfully designed with lush greens, airy spaces and Insta-worthy vibes. Shadi ho ya special event, they have got you covered with multiple banquet halls, big lawns and a stylish pool with bar for those dreamy poolside functions. Stay offers 9 luxury rooms, including a gorgeous bridal suite. You can enjoy in-room dining with yummy food or chill at their open-end restaurant. If you are a group of friends and family planning a private party, chill by their aesthetic pool, sip your drink and soak in the pure vacation vibes. Booking this place is easy. Visit their website or just call the number below. Only 35 minutes from Lucknow Airport, Royal Resortica Sitapur Road is a place to stay, celebrate and repeat.